Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a pork tenderloin medallions with Marsala sauce from Rachel Ray's Look and Cook cookbook. To get started, we're just going to take a pork tenderloin and cut them into discs, and then we're going to pound out those discs. We want to make them nice and thin. Now he's going to season them up with salt and pepper. And while he's doing that, I'm going to chop up the garlic, and I'm also going to wash off the baby bella mushrooms that we have and get those sliced up nice and thin. I also trimmed up our green beans, and I want everything ready to go for him. Once he was done pounding out the pork cutlets, he dredged them in a little bit of flour. Now we got some EVOO in the pan, ready to go. He did add some unsalted butter to the EVOO. In they go, just a few minutes on each side, and then he's going to set it to the side once they're seared off. Okay friends, now we're going to saute up the mushrooms with the garlic. Now that that's sauteed and ready for us, we're going to add some flour and then our liquids.
There's a cup, I'm going to use a little more.
That's the Marsala?
Yep.
Yeah, we like a lot of sauce. Okay, now we're going to add in about a cup of chicken broth. Now we're going to let that simmer for just a little bit.
Oh, fogged up. Oopsie.
Now we're going to add back in the pork medallions or the pork cutlets into the sauce. Now he's going to add in the parsley.
She does.
And this is what we have so far, friends.
Oh my god, it smells good. It looks good. Have you tasted it yet?
Not yet.
Now we're going to make up the fettuccine. And we did add a lot of salt to the water. Now he's going to take the fettuccine out of the water and strain it. He didn't want to wait for another pot to boil, so we're just going to use the pasta water to blanch our green beans.
So roasted garlic, regular garlic, butter,
And the green beans.
and the green beans.
Friends, this was a delicious dish. I really hope this made you hungry, and I really hope you try it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.